Hello kids. Welcome to Vital Learning Kare. Let's learn some exciting words that begin with the letter C. 1. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. 2. C for cow. C-O-W, cow. 3. C for cup. C-U-P, cup. 4. C for cake. C-A-K-E, cake. 5. C for car. C-A-R, car. 6. C for cap. C-A-P, cap. 7. C for cone. C-O-R-N, cone. 8. C for clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. 9. C for crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N, crayon. 10. C for cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Awesome job, kids! Now you know 10 cool words that start with the letter C. Subscribe to Vital Learning Kare for more fun and learning every day.